Okay, solve natin itong problem na to. Saldico wants to arrange 27 pieces of luggage at the front gate of Martin Romualdez house. Among them, 10 are identical black ones, 8 are identical blue ones, and 2 are identical red ones, and remaining 7 each have different unique colors. So, unique yung mga colors ng pito. So, basically, itong remaining, pwedeng wala na din ito. No? Pwedeng sabihin lang sa problem na 10 identical black ones, 8 identical blue ones, and 2 identical red ones. Kasi yung mga identical items naman yung medyo relevant no? For a permutation problem. Okay, in how many distinct arrangement can this luggage be lined up? So, bagong pasabog ito ni Saldico. No? So, solve natin no? Kung ilang way no? Pwedeng i-arrange yung 27 luggage. No? So, again, this is under case 3 no? Na permutation. So, sa case 3 kasi is for n things taken all at a time. Pero yung n things, meron siyang mga identical things. No? So, yung gagawin lang natin, kukunin natin yung total n nila. Kumbaga, yung formula na gagamitin is, na familiar kayo nito, yung permutation is n factorial over the q factorial, r factorial, tsaka yung s factorial, where yung q, r, and s, those are identical items. Okay? And then yung n is the total number of items. No? So, bale, meron kang 27 factorial dito. Then, all over lang nung q factorial natin, which is yung 10. Ito yung 10 identical 10 factorial. Ito. And then, meron tayong 8 dito. So, 8 factorial. And meron tayong dalawa. Okay? And so, ito lang yung mga medyo relevant na dito sa formula kasi yung Q, R, and S, those are identical items. Okay, so yung 7, wala na to, no? Hindi na kailangan natin yan kasi mga unique colors yan eh. So, kumbaga parang ano lang yan, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, pitong 1 factorial, parang ganun. Okay, so the answer is 3, 7, 2, 1, 0. So, okay, shift, ing, hindi, ing. Ha? So, gawin natin 0, 0. Hindi, ano pala, hindi na niya kaya. Anyway, so meron kang 3, 7, 2, 1, 0. So, 8, 1, 870, 0.87 times 10 to the power 6. So, kumbaga, ito yan. Yung choice D. Okay, so, I think that's it, no? So, sana marami ka pang isiwalat, no? Saldi ko. Okay, so, I think that's it, no? Thank you.